In this video, let's talk about the recommended wheel spacer size.
Probably BMW X3 wheel spacers make sure your wheels and tires have enough space, so that nothing rubs up against the fenders, brakes, or other suspension parts. The perfect size of the BMW X3 wheel spacers may differ per version. For example, the recommended spacer size for 2021 BMW X3 is front 25mm and rear 25mm. In other words, these spacers provide perfect first stance. If you install aftermarket wheels, things can be different. The BMW X3 wheel spacers are standard components for fixing the wrong offset issues. Getting the wrong offset can actually reduce a vehicle's stability on the road. By creating the offset, spacers improve driving safety. For those who have a limited budget, installing BMW X3 wheel spacers to fit the wheels will be a good idea. If you add high offset wheels or wide body kit, then there is a pretty high chance you need BMW X3 wheel spacers. BMW are available in larger size, from 3mm to 15mm. They are fastened by extending wheel bolts. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good BMW X3 wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of BMW X3 wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. The precision of BONOSS BMW X3 wheel spacers has reached 0.02mm after hard anodizing. The corrosion resistance of this BONOSS BMW X3 wheel spacers is greatly enhanced. In this way, you can also choose to customize the pattern you like, and we will have it painted on the custom BMW X3 wheel spacers you want. All BONOSS BMW X3 wheel spacers are forged. In addition, high-precision BMW X3 wheel spacers provide high surface integrity, effectively guarantee safety, stability, and reliability, and ensure a smooth installing experience.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.